Yo, what's going on, guys? So I've just recorded and I'm editing this how to get free Xbox codes video, and I did not realize at the time, but my microphone was off during the entire recording, so I've had to overlay a voiceover, as you can see here. So you will see that the audio does not match up with me in the video, so there's an out of sync audio issue. So if you find that annoying, you can skip to around the 2-minute mark in the video to go directly to the free Xbox codes tutorial. And once again, apologies for the audio, but yeah, still enjoy the video, guys. Yo, what is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, and this tutorial is going to show you guys how to get free Xbox gift card codes and Xbox codes in 2023. I'm going to get into some stuff such as a Xbox One giveaway before the tutorial, so skip to this timestamp here if you want to go to the tutorial, but keep watching if you want to win an Xbox One. This person here won the previous giveaway, and I contacted them and sent them their free Xbox One. As you can see here, they were actually from Sydney, Australia, so the shipping cost me an absolute fortune, but it was well worth it and well received. So I'm going to do another giveaway for a Xbox One. All you need to do to enter is like the video, comment below why you deserve to win this Xbox One, and of course subscribe to my channel. And yeah, in 2 weeks I'll be announcing the next giveaway winner, so make sure you enter, guys. And yeah, so without further ado, let me get into the tutorial now on how you can go about getting your free Xbox codes. Let me record my screen and get into it. So you can see here, you need to open up a internet browser on your mobile phone. So I'm using an iPhone, it's a pretty old iPhone actually, and I've gone to Google here, but you can go directly to this website. So you need to make sure you type this exactly how I'm going to type it here, because you need to ensure you go to the correct site. www.topdogcodes.com. So make sure you type it exactly as you see on my screen and press search, and this is the website, Top Dog Codes, and you're going to recognize it by this little happy fella at the top, and obviously Top Dog Codes. So make sure you go to this page and hit the search bar and type in Xbox. Now you're going to get a bunch of things pop up because there are Xbox game codes, but if you see this, you need to look for this Xbox gift cards code, this one here with the Xbox symbol. So that is the page you need to find. So such as this, and scroll down, and there is multiple different codes you can choose from on this page, but we're interested in this $100 gift card code. And you can see these coupons are limited, but yeah, I've yet to see this website actually run out of coupon codes, so they seem to keep replenishing them. They're pretty much unlimited. So tap on show coupon next to the code you want. So in this case it's the $100 free Xbox code, and that just confirms my choice here. And you can see it says Xbox with some stars. Now this is our code, but we need to unlock the code. Basically Top Dog Codes protects their codes to stop robots from stealing them. As you can imagine, a $100 gift card code for Xbox is worth a fair bit of money, so this just protects codes and ensures they go to people like you and me who actually want them for their own personal use. So tap unlock code. This takes a few seconds. Now you should now see this screen, which is completely normal. This is the process to unlock your code. So essentially we need to just follow the instructions listed on this page, and you can see it says complete 2 of the 3 tasks below to unlock your free Xbox code. So you can see I've got a list of tasks here. These can range from answering quick questions to downloading and playing free games, and as you can see they're all completely free. So as an example, you see For example, this top one, Argos gift card. You're going to get different ones depending on your country. I'm in the UK, so I've got some UK based ones here. So it says like enter your email and complete the steps. Oops, I've accidentally clicked one. Let's click off that. And then, for example, this Family Island, it says download, then complete level 8. So this is a free game that I have to download and get to level 8. Alternatively, there's Coin Master, download Coin Master, raid, attack and play your online friends, complete Village 3. So basically you just need to select any 2 tasks on this page and satisfy the requirements that it states below each one. So I'm going to click on this Coin Master one, which is a game, and I need to complete Village 3 to unlock my code. So I'm going to do that one as well as another one. So you can see it opens up the App Store. It's completely legit. Coin Master, so I'm going to press get on that. So whilst that downloads, I'm going to go ahead and click on another one. So for example, this top one, enter your email. So this one is slightly different. It's not a game. This one is just basically answering some questions. And then I need to input a valid email address. So I'm going to pause this video and then complete 2 of those. So I'm going to complete level 3 on that Coin Master, and then I'm also going to just finish off that survey. So let me do those and I'll return. Right. So I've returned, guys. So basically I just went ahead and fully downloaded Coin Master. Then I just played the game it took about 10 minutes. I played the game and got to level 3 on that game. It's quite a fun game, so I didn't actually mind doing that. So completed level 3 on Coin Master, so completed Village 3. And then I went ahead and just finished off that survey and entered in my valid email. It's important to enter valid information if you choose one of these sort of tasks. Because obviously it does verify you as a real person. Oops. So anyway, you can see there, once I've done that, go ahead and hit your tabs if you've fully completed 2 tasks. And now you should see this Xbox coupons page. Open that up and your free Xbox gift card code for $100 has now been unlocked. There you go. You can see I've got my code which I can copy, and I can enter it in onto my Xbox or on the Microsoft website, and it's going to basically credit my Xbox account $100 to purchase anything in the Xbox store. So that can be the latest games, Xbox Game Pass membership, anything you want. And that is it. You need to go and get your personal code, guys, at topdogcodes.com. Make sure you follow these instructions carefully. Of course, enter the giveaway, so like the video, comment below and subscribe to enter the giveaway for a free Xbox One. If I helped you get your Xbox codes, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.